Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford C-Max, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the OBD data link port, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. You have up to 2 fuses, make sure to stay until the end. One of them is actually a little bit hidden, so all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So let's go ahead and start with the first fuse, which is located under the hood. We're going to open the hood on that Ford C-Max, supported here. Okay, that's a hybrid. Even if you don't have a hybrid, procedure could be very close. Right here in the corner, that's where the fuse box is located. How you open it, you press on the back, lift up, pull to the front, eventually comes out. Okay, and if you flip it that way, that fuse box layout corresponds to what we have, okay, right there. So you can see, guys, the fuse that we need to check here first is actually it's not here. Okay, I just thought about that. It's not in that fuse box. That's let me show you where the fuse box is located. It's actually at a hidden place. The first one, it's in the foot compartment right here on the passenger side. Okay, right under the glove box. When you remove that cover here, okay, let me just position the camera here. You have that fuse box over there, guys. Okay, that's the fuse box that we have. So the fuse that we need to check is fuse 73. Okay, and right next to the fuse on the right side, guys, you will be able, okay, to see the fuse numbers. So in our case 73, it's that 7, okay, 7.5 amp fuse, guys, that one here. Okay, that's the one that you need to check. The last one on the second row on the bottom. That's one of them. Now we have one more fuse that we need to check. Okay, and the next one is we need to go to the trunk of that Ford C-Max. And if you come right here on the left side, there is one cover. Okay, just like that. Now, let me show you now. Right here you have fuses, guys. Those fuses, if you look at them, okay, it's a little bit hard to reach, but that's where they're located. Okay, all of them are right here. Quite a few fuses are located here, and we need to check for fuse number 21, guys. 21, okay, is so it will be the third fuse. Okay, we're missing one. You can see the numbers next to them, but it will be that 15 amp fuse, okay, right here. So if you start on the bottom, 1 2 3 4 5, so we'll be at 1 2 3 4, missing 5, that 15 amp fuse. If you want to see how to test fuses or how to where to buy cheap fuses from, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.